Welcome to NVGI. Myself Gyanen Singh, class 10, 9, class 9, English medium. Why do fall in? The chapter Why do we fall in? Today I teach you the common pathogen of human beings. Common pathogens of human beings. First pathogens, trypanosoma. Trypanosoma. First pathogen, trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is the vector. This is protozoa parasites caused by African sleeping sickness. African sleeping sickness in human. Vector, it CC fly. Vector CC fly. It is the vector of trypanosoma. Second, Mycobacterium. Mycobacterium, it is bacterium caused by tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is caused by tuberculosis TB. It is a rod-shaped bacteria. Bacteria that affect lungs, throat, kidney, brain, bone marrow, etc. It is spread by the sneezing and cough of the healthy person to the healthy person. Next, Leishmania. Leishmania, it is a protozoa parasite carries leishmaniasis. Leishmaniasis means kala ajar. Kala ajar. Kala ajar. It is a disease of leishmaniasis. It is spread by the sand fly. Sand fly. Sand fly. It is spread by the sand fly. Next, SARS coronavirus. SARS coronavirus is the infectious disease caused by SARS coronavirus. It is transmitted via cough, sneeze of the infected person. Next is Staphylococci. Staphylococci, it is a group of germ-positive bacteria, which are round-shaped staphylococcus can cause the wide variety of disease in human and other animals through the either toxic products or penetration streptococcal toxin are the common cause of food poisoning. Next, Ascaris. The disease by the Ascaris is called Ascariasis. It is worm present in alimentary canal of the animals and human. Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica, amoebic dysentery. It is caused by Entamoeba histolytica by the amoeba, a type of protozoa. It is type of protozoa. So it caused amoebic dysentery. Plasmodium vivax. It is also protozoa. The vector, mosquito, female Anopheles. Plasmodium vivax, the disease caused malaria. So Plasmodium vivax is spread by the mosquitoes. This is common pathogen of human beings. Next, means of spread of infectious agents. Infectious agents, how to spread? How to spread? By air, by water, by food, by mosquito, by physical contact, by sexual contact. By air, through the air, the droplets of the diseases person are present in the air. The contact of healthy person in these droplets and respired these droplets, they can also infected. So the air spread the transmitted diseases in more in area with the overcrowded or poorly ventilated. Then the spread of the water, the diseases persons and animals, excreta and fecals also removed in a water, so water pollute. This polluted waters having many type of microbes. If that water is taken by the healthy persons, that can infect. Food articles, it means especially those which are solid or raw side may be highly infected, such as the open food articles present in a shopkeepers, they are infected by the air and comes the microbes on the food particles. That food particles are eaten by the healthy persons, that can affect. Mosquito, also female anopheles, spread the malaria parasites having the Plasmodium vivax. When the mosquito bite in the infected persons, the sucking of the blood, the Plasmodium vivax comes into his saliva. Then this mosquito bite in a healthy person, these Plasmodium vivax comes into the blood into the healthy person. That healthy person also infected. Physical contact, it means that the towel, cloths and any type of things are used by the healthy person. If diseases persons, these things are diseases person used by the healthy person also infected. And sexual contacts, it some diseases like AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea are infected persons are highly risky. Contact with body fluid of the such persons may immediately result in new infections, syphilis, gonorrhea and other sexually transmitted diseases. That's all. Okay.